In the heart of the Alps, where mountains whisper secrets to the sky, two marvels take shape. One forged of metal and speed, the other born of milk and time. A machine awakens, not in fire, but in the hands of dreamers. Engineers shaping steel into curves that defy gravity. Meanwhile, in a quiet valley, hands shape wheels not of alloy, but of liquid gold, turning milk into a treasure aged by time and tradition. One carves through the valleys, a blur of power and precision, chasing echoes of the past, writing new legends into the stone. The other melts into a pot, bubbling, golden, ready to bring warmth to the table as the sun fades behind the peaks. Man and machine, cheese and wheel, bound by a singular purpose, to conquer the untamed, to delight the senses, and to remind us that no matter how fast we go, sometimes the simplest pleasures, like a good fondue, are worth the pause.